The stock பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Sequence Scientific Limited. In this stock, your entry will be at 210.92 and target will be at 232.08. Because in this stock has taken the support perfectly in the level. You can see the trend line, and now if it breaks 210.92, it's perfect to enter. So in our list, next stock will be the stock is Malcolm India Limited, and this stock has taken the perfect support. You can see the trend line below the candles, and this is ready to give a perfect move. And since it will break the all-time high, we will get around 10 percentage in return. Target will be at 10%, and entry will be at 1680.35. Stop loss will be latest swing low. And next stock is Kiri Industries Limited, and this stock is perfect for the breakout stock. And our entry has already made 632.05. You can take an entry, and first target will be 679.40, and your stop loss will be 561.05. You can take a stop loss, or else you can wait for the up move. Since this stock is consolidated for so long time in this price range, you will get a good breakout.